Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Canon 90D Deluxe bundle version from Costco. Let's get to it. So it comes with a bag, it comes with an SD card reader, and it also comes with the camera as well as the step motor lens, the kit lens, which is the 18 to 35 millimeter lens. The bag's pretty cool. You put your camera gear here, you can fit 2 lenses and your body, and SD cards as well as any batteries in here. That's about it. It's a sling backpack. And you have some holder right there, as well as a extra pocket. Nothing for a water bottle, but who needs water when you're taking pictures in the sun? Am I right? So that's the bag. And let's look at the camera. Now what I got was a EOS 90D with the body and the 18 to 55 millimeter image stabilization with step motor. This is the warranty paper, which you do want to get this if you're in the US. They do have cheaper versions on eBay, which come with international warranty, so those are going to be a little bit harder to claim the warranty, but you still have warranty on those. The battery charger here. This is the battery charger. And the battery charger is pretty cool. It tells you all the way up to 100%. I think it lights up 0 to 100 with the light numbers. And I need to get more batteries, and that's how you charge the battery. Actually plug this into the wall outlet. Compared to my GH4, the GH4 is a little bit of a different setup. You have this compartment here, and you have a really long wire, which I think I prefer this type of wiring just because you can be farther away from your charging port and doesn't take as much space as this type of charging port. So the GH4, you just charge the batteries like so, and this green will turn on or off based on whether it's fully charged or not. Enough about the GH4, but let's move on. This is the battery. Let's put this. And you also have the OEM battery. Now with the Canon 90D, it does have a bigger battery, so it will last longer, especially when I'm making videos. I don't have to charge too many batteries. I do need to get extra ones though. Here's the cover for it, and this is the battery. It's a LPE6N, and you can get more of the same type. You just need to search it up on eBay. You can get third party, but this is the Canon one. You have a big manual, which is in many different languages, English, French, and Spanish. The 90D strap, which I won't be using because this is usually going to be indoors. And let's look at the camera itself. So first is the body. Let's look at the body. Take this sticker off. And here we are. Okay. Oh. Okay. The click on the top is not that, it's not an actual click. It's actually soft touch button. To press that, that's fun. The screen comes out. There's no screen protector on the screen. And it's pretty lightweight. So that's the camera body. Let's put this away and let's look at the lens. Now I am going to be getting more lenses, 2 lenses actually, but this one should be pretty good. It's the 18 to 55 millimeter, and it has a step motor. It's made of plastic, so it's pretty light. Didn't think it'd be that light. And there it is. That's the lens. It's pretty cool. 18 to 55 with autofocus as well as image stabilization inside this lens. So it's electronic and not just software. And it's pretty quiet from what I've seen online. So stay tuned for future content with the Canon 90D. This is going to be great. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know in the comments below. I'm down to talk about it. and I'm excited. It's gonna have the color of the Canon and also the dual pixel autofocus, which would be way quicker when focusing compared to right now where I have to actually go to the screen and press on the area to focus. And then Panasonic, it takes a little bit while for it to focus. You can see in this video, it does take a while to hunt for the focus. But let me put this lens on, whoops, and see how this sets up. So, gotta press that button. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. All right, that's the 90D. Let's turn it on. And is there a battery? I don't think there's any battery in it. Okay, so we gotta charge this. Holding this already, it's pretty light. The lens is pretty light, it's plastic, and the body itself is kind of a good material plastic, and it's not that heavy. So definitely a lot lighter than what I expected. This was the Canon 90D with kit lens and a bag with a 32GB SD card from Costco. Check it out. I got this for a price of $1,199. With tax comes out to about $1,300. Right now I see on Costco the price did go up for this camera. So wait around, shop around, you can get it for around $1,199. This is not including tax. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe for future content, and bye guys.